Raining again, and you better get used to it because there's a lot of it in the next few days.
Not even the next few days. How about into next week?
I didn't want to go that far, even though I have peeked ahead.
Okay.
He was being very gentle.
We'll ease you into it here over the next 2.5 minutes.
I'm going to have to cut my grass in February if this keeps up.
I know. I mean, it's amazing. Oh, but maybe nature will take care of that.
Well,
for you.
I hope so.
Maybe. Let's talk about this. And as we look out on the MaxTrack Live Doppler, yeah, it's been a wet afternoon. It's been a wet day. We've been seeing the rain heavier across the south. But we're still seeing generous coverages of showers around. That line right there, where it looks pretty solid, that's the cold front that's dropping in. Flood watch is in effect not for tonight. It starts actually late tomorrow and runs into Thursday, southern half of Kentucky. So it's essentially the knobs going through there, Berea back toward Boyle County. From there southward is where we are seeing that flood watch. Rainfall has been heavy across the south. Columbia is at 1.8, Liberty 1.7, McKee is 1 2/10 inches. Barberville's been about 1 inch. Thing is, we're going to put a whole lot more water on this. You see also much lesser amounts as we look up into the I-64 corridor. The big picture, it is a battle between what has been an incredibly rugged and persistent ridge in the southeast that's kept the warmth around and cold air that's finally trying to push in. The end result is it produces a lot of water. This will be just rain for us through the latter part of the week, but the weekend, there are actual winter chances out there. We're still 4 days away, so don't get crazy the way this winter's going yet, but at least it's on the table. As we continue through tomorrow, another 1 or 2 inches of rain. By the time we roll through Thursday into Friday, that could be a 2 to 4 inch rain. Heaviest again across the south, and thus the flood watch that's out there. And the rain has been plentiful on the radars as a front is just draped from northeast to southwest across the nation. And on the cold side, snowfall has been generous. So the overall setup, the cold air is plunging deep into the southwest. So as it plunges south, warm air has been advancing up in front of it. That's the ridge that we've been talking about. By tomorrow, the cold air begins to move as the ridge begins to slide east and weaken. By the time we get into Thursday, now we've got almost a winter-like setup, but big, strong temperature contrast either side. That's a little wintry look that's trying to get established. So here's how the front set up. Tomorrow that front is draped across southeast Kentucky. Look at the ice and snow as far south as southern Texas. By late tomorrow, as the lows move in, the front bubbles north. Rain becomes heavier again with a big snow up here across the Midwest and Great Lakes. An ice storm is not far away, but not for us. It'll be up central Indiana and north. Future Track, again, paints that picture for you as you see those lows moving across and the next wave comes up along with it. And that accumulating snow potential as we look toward, well, a little bit on Friday, maybe more so over the weekend. It's worth staying tuned for. And temperatures, they will fall tonight. And look at that cold air moving in. Southern Kentucky, not so much, though. We'll begin to see that warmth begin to rebound tomorrow. Southern Kentucky is a whole lot warmer than the north. Periods of rain and fog, turning colder, eventually down into the upper 30s tomorrow. More rain. Daytime highs for most of us, low 40s. The upper 40s we're showing you, that's tomorrow evening. 50s on Thursday, rain, snow possibilities Friday, snow chance on Saturday.
All right, Bill, thanks.